We'll be approaching a traffic light controlled roundabout and we'll be taking the first exit. Now we can see the direction board. You probably can't read the text correctly, but we'll be taking the first exit to the left. The first exit is to the left. It's heading towards Husbands Bosworth and it's at 9 o'clock. So we need to check the center left door mirror, signal left, and for positioning, the easiest thing to do is stick to the curb, which will lead us into the left lane to take the exit. Now as we approach the roundabout and the set of traffic lights, if the lights are green, we can normally look at carrying on about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and if they are red, then obviously we need to make sure we stop just before the stop line. When the lights turn back to green, we don't have to worry about giving way to traffic coming from our right. It would be safe for us to enter the roundabout. It is a bit of a wait at these traffic lights, so I'm just going to speed up the clip. As we're making this turn, we do have a choice of two lanes. We can either choose the left or the right lane, but as always, for normal driving, we'd stick to the left. Check all our mirrors and keep moving.